This is Scott Becker with the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. We cover business, startups, private equity, and a lot more. Today's discussion is 15 headlines, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So here's the good. The good is M&A deals hit a really high number this summer. It was a very busy summer, $1 trillion in deals. That is weighted towards a lot of mega deals. So still lots of trouble on the small and mid-sized deal market, but that's good news for the deal market. Second, emerging stocks are set for their longest monthly rally since 2004 as tech continues to perform well. That's also good news. A third good piece of good news is the markets and the Magnificent Seven continue to have overall a really good year with Microsoft, Google, Meta Platforms, and NVIDIA having a great year. The NASDAQ's up about 17% year to date. So that's the good. Those are three headlines. Here is the bad, and I've got 8 headlines here. All right, first, the markets are stalling and starting to struggle a little bit as we're moving towards potentially a government shutdown. We'll see how long that lasts. That seems to be challenging. Second, Fed Vice Chair Jefferson says that the U.S. job market is really weakening and lots of trouble. Third, budget hotels are feeling the squeeze. And what we're seeing out there is luxury hotels, high-end spenders are still doing okay. Lower income spenders are struggling between wages stagnating and inflation rising. And so budget hotels, budget airlines are really starting to struggle. Fourth and fifth are two related headlines. Japan's economy is slowing as factory output slows itself there. And fifth, very similar in China, China's factory activity has improved, but it's been slumping now for 6 months, so not doing very well. Finally, sixth of our 8 stories that are bad, Oracle initiated that sell by Rothschild. Oracle still is up 70% year to date, but there's some sense that maybe Oracle has been overpriced a little bit, overbought. Seventh, GM is slamming the brakes completely on the EV business. Governor Gavin Newsom criticizes GM, Mary Barra. In any event, they're slamming the brakes in the EV business, but they're up still about 14.74% year to date. Eighth, finally, another bad story. NVIDIA predicts cooler growth after sales records. They see themselves slowing some. They're still up 35% year to date. So that's the bad. The ugly is as follows. The U.S. debt is now at $37.5 trillion. That is quickly becoming an unsustainable number on a million different levels. That's ugly. Second, unemployment has risen to 4.3%. I keep on seeing signs of layoffs, so that's also challenging, and we're looking to see more of that and more challenges there in terms of layoffs. Finally, third, in addition to saying that the job market is slowing, Vice Chairman of the Fed, Philip Jefferson, says that economic growth is also slowing down to about 1.5%. So that's also bad news. Finally, fourth, my golf, my tennis, and my fitness are all just absolutely mediocre right now. It is what it is. Life goes on. But that's also ugly, my golf, tennis, and fitness. Not horrible, but mediocre. Probably should put it in the bad category versus the ugly category, but we'll see how it goes. In any event, thank you for listening to the Becker Business Podcast, the Becker Private Equity Podcast. That's 15 quick headlines for you, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Thank you for listening.